Hey guys, welcome to Titan Code. This is the start of a new tutorial series where I teach you Python. So before you start learning Python, you have to download it. And so you just have to go down to the link in the description, python.org, and click downloads here, and then download here if you're on Windows. If you're on Mac, just go here and click on the latest release. I'm on Windows, so I'm going to be downloading this one here. So you can see that it's now downloaded, and you just have to go down here to File Explorer, and then down here to Downloads, and then double click on Python. And it opens this up. So first you have to click on this checkbox, and then install now. I'll be back after it's done installing. Okay guys, now I'm back. So you can see that the setup was successful, and you can just hit close here. Now after you're done, just go down to the search bar here, and search up IDLE, and then click on the first thing that pops up. So this is a Python IDLE, and all you have to do right now is click on File, New File, and then to check if it works, just type print, and then quotation marks in this, and then type hi or something. And now you can save that by Control S, and then I'd say put it on your desktop for now, and name it script, and then hit save. So now just go over here to run, and then run module. So now you can see that it says hi. That means that this is working. So congratulations, you've now set up Python. So next, you could always work in this IDLE, but I don't really like its look. So I have something a bit better that I like, and it's called Sublime Text. So here you just hit download for Windows, and it downloads something for you here. And also, if you're on Mac, you could just go down here and then click on Mac OS or Linux repos. And now that the download is complete, um, we just have to go over to here and double click on this. So now you just hit next and then go through this. It's very simple. Just hit next, like click I accept the license and things like that, and then install it. Once you're done, you're gonna like be able to search up Sublime Text here, and then you could just open that up. Once it's open, just hit File, Open File, because we already have one created on our desktop over here, and it's called Script. So now you've opened this up. Now, here it's pretty simple. You just have to press Control B. If it asks you what something about here, like what Python interpreter you want to use or anything, just click like the normal Python interpreter. It's pretty simple and straightforward. And now you can see that it says hi here. I think the look of this is much better, and it's much more helpful when you're working on larger projects. That's why I like this. So that's it for this tutorial, guys. Thank you for watching. Drop a like if you can, and please subscribe. It helps out a ton. Also, I would love to hear why you guys want to learn Python, so if you could drop a comment in the comments, that would be great. So thank you, guys.